让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you a phrase that is supposed to be easy because 就是要教简单 easy.
简单，
简单 that's how you say it. Alice 平常有在煮饭吗？
有啊。
其实我也很想要煮饭，可是有时候觉得肚子饿了，好复杂，好烦哦。
那就来碗泡面，
简单一点，对不对？ That's right. Do you like to cook? I love to cook, but sometimes it's just so much work, right? And the easiest way out is just to eat some instant noodles. Let's put you in this situation, okay? 好，我晚餐不知道吃什么耶。I don't know what to have for dinner.
我暗床，唔知愛食乜嘅。
唔知愛食乜嘅。
我暗床，唔知愛食乜嘅。
唔知就是不知道，对不对？
对呀。
愛食就要吃什麼東西啊？What should I eat? All right. Well, easy. Just cook up some instant noodles. 简单，泡个泡面就好啦。
簡單，
简單，
泡一碗，
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 泡一碗泡面，
泡一碗泡面，
就好嘞。
秋后嘞，
泡一碗泡面就好嘞。
太好了，学会怎么讲泡面这个字了耶。
泡面。
Hey, we finally teach you how to say instant noodles. 泡面 that's instant noodles. 泡面 OK 好，那泡个泡面就是泡一碗泡面这样子就好了。
我看你要泡2碗。
真的有一些很小的哈。
对啊，
至少要2碗才可以。
是啊，没错。
可是钠含量太高了，有时候会承受不起。
在减肥咩？
对了，可是吃多了还是会腻了，对不对呀？我昨天已经吃过了，吃腻了哈。我们只来教大家怎么说好了。可是我昨天已经吃过泡面了，好腻哦。唔過，
捱錯本熱，幾件食過泡面嘞，喊呢個喲，
喊那個喲，这个也蛮好学的，
就是有点
腻了吗？
腻了。
Oh, I like this phrase at the end. 喊那個喲 That means I'm tired of it. I'm sick of it. 腻了 Okay, I've already had enough instant noodles. 的确，这不要吃太多，因为钠含量太高了。对。好，那我们来教大家几个单字喽，包括我们的晚餐 dinner time.
暗床
and then our instant noodles 泡面 and finally I'm so tired of it 好腻啊
喊呢個喲
and it's all about the phrase it's easy 簡單 and there you have it that does today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
漢字4章來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council